Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Mekotronics R57, which is based on the mid-tier Rockchip RK3576. And I'm also happy that Mekotronics, they are my first sponsor, and after 2 years, even more than 2 years, they are still my sponsor, so I'm really happy with that. So now we'll start the unboxing. So they used a lot of tape to keep everything in one piece. And I'm wondering about the sticker, because I think the remote control, if it has one, perhaps that one comes with a battery, but I don't think there's any lithium in there, but whoops, we'll see. Oops. And it's really a lot of tape. So we see R57, 4 GB of memory, 32 GB of storage. Okay. So there's a white box in the box. So there's a USB 3 port, 2 USB 2 ports, Type C. You can even put in a SIM. Not really sure if this really has 4G. Headphone jack, power button. This is for the 4G antenna. Let's see. a bit hard to put it back in. That's not really round. There is one side that is. I'll put that back later. So 12-volt power, HDMI output, and it also has HDMI input. This is for debugging purposes, I believe. Not really sure what this is. High-low. Or I assume high-low, but not really sure. I think those are 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. I think this is for your Wi-Fi Bluetooth. And another for the 4G. And here, oh, there's even GPIO. Only 4, but still interesting. Nothing on the bottom. And some ventilation holes on top. And here you can mount it if you want to. So we have power, and this is the European plug. Interesting. So I think to go in like that and then slide it back in, I assume, but I'll put that for later. This is one of the antennas. USB Type-C to USB-A. I think you also need that if you want to flash a new Android version, or if you want to install Linux. I think there's also an Ambient image. And there's HDMI. And I think this is a plug for the GPIO. Yep. So let's see. I think I'm going to bring one of my other Mekotronics devices to compare a little bit on the size. So I have my R58X. So, oops. Yeah, it looks as if it's the R58X and the R57, that they have the same size. Okay, so here we have the power plug. So it goes in like this, so a little bit tilted, and then snap it into place. So that's it. So let's see if we can open it. So there's 4 screws on the front. Really tightly screwed in. So Okay. Okay. Well, I guess you get the idea that you need to use quite some force, so once I'm done with the screws, I'll come back. Okay, so the screws are really screwed in tightly, but once you've done one twist, then it actually goes quite smooth. So this is the front panel, and then you can slide the top off. So we have, might be MIPI. Oh well, yeah, that's DSI, that's CSI, camera, display, and I think this is another, I think it's an NVMe adapter, but I'll put in the, oh wait, perhaps this is the, for the 4G wireless card, and then here, that this is an M.2 2280 slot. So I'll put in a comment or in the description of the video what it exactly is, and well, perhaps this is a lithium battery, who knows, very small one. So, but that probably means that it has a real-time clock, probably. I'll also put that in the description. So this is just the unboxing, and yeah, first I'll try to test the Android image that comes with it, and but that is something for the next video. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.